Hey, welcome back to another series. So in this tutorial, we are going to look at Cohere Playground and we are going to learn the best open source LLM for free and how to access it. And you are going to learn how to access Command R plus, the highest ranking open source LLM that tops the oldest version of GPT-4 on human evaluation rankings. So this link will be provided to you. So you just have to go to Cohere Playground and you will need to sign in. So basically you can, if you have GitHub, you can just go ahead with this, click on this, or you can do the same with Google. So yeah, I just signed in here. And after you did, basically you can just go into try Command R. And in this you can basically ask anything, right? So you can ask code generation. Okay, here is an example. I want to figure how to remove nan values from an array. So yeah, this is absolutely free to use, and the context length you have for this is 128K with good coding capabilities and multi-language support. And you can also play with the other things. So you can go to playground here, and in the playground you can play around with so you can do web search, you can do a RAG, and in this you can also play around with what temperature you want. Do you want prompt truncation or not? If you want to pick a seed, you can do a seed, and that's basically, and you can also play around with other models. So I think Command R is the most popular one, which has beat GPT-4 in the benchmarks. But if you would like to try the Command R plus, which I haven't, I don't know how good the performance of this is, or any of the light versions, you can go ahead and play with it. And similarly for the connectors, you can basically do the connectors, which is the rack concept here. And here you can basically pick a Wikipedia site or whatever you want to do. You can do it, or it's gonna use the generic web search. So that's what I wanted to cover here. And similarly you can do some classifiers here, and that's basically it. So fintech email classifiers, so you can do this. And similarly you can do some of this here, or you can also do the generate, which is the legacy way of doing it. So yeah, here is an example, and it's it translated to another language, and it's using this model. And that's basically what I wanted to show you here. And you can also use this API. If you go through the docs, they have some use cases how to use APIs for this, and we will try to cover it in the follow-up tutorials. But that's basically what Cohere LLM is, and I hope this was useful to you, and thank you for joining.